The One More Evo, released 3 years later, can already be regarded as a noise-canceling true wireless earbuds that has achieved comprehensive self-transcendence. No matter in terms of ease of use, noise-canceling experience or sound quality, it has reached the product strength of the first echelon. Of course, the most important thing is that One More Evo has a higher cost performance. One More Evo's accessories are not rich, similar to other brands' TWS. Only 4 pairs of ear tips, Type-C cable and manual. In terms of appearance design, the One More Evo has not changed much from the previous One More true wireless noise-canceling earbuds, but there are some differences in the details. One More Evo still uses a rounded and long charging case design. The material of the charging case is still the same as the previous generation, but the One More Evo charging case is more matte and frosted than the previous generation. And the One More logo on the top of the charging case has also been changed from the previous dark tone to the current rose gold color. Let the look and feel of the entire charging case change from the low-key and introverted of the previous generation to the current low-key luxury. After opening the charging case cover, you can see the Bluetooth reset button. This design can reduce the probability of accidental touch to a certain extent, and the left and right earbuds are on both sides of the button. Black with rose gold earfoam looks very noble and elegant. Coupled with the drop-shaped streamlined body, the One More Evo has a rounded feel and soft lines. One More Evo adopts ergonomic design, and the weight of a single earbud is only 5.7 grams. Even if it is worn for a long time, the feeling of pressing the ear will not be very obvious. I think the most anticipated part of One More Evo is the noise cancelling part. The previous generation of products had a very good performance in noise cancelling, and the new One More Evo has made a new breakthrough in the noise cancelling experience, so I also specifically mentioned this part. The noise cancelling depth can reach 42 decibel. In addition, the noise cancelling performance of these earbuds has also passed the certification and filing of the State Administration for Market Regulation, and has also been certified by the internationally renowned testing agency SGS. As far as daily commuting is concerned, such a noise cancelling depth is sufficient to cope with such complex noise environments as in subways, buses and other scenarios. This earbuds can eliminate some low-frequency noise to the greatest extent after turning on the noise cancelling mode. After I switched to deep noise cancelling mode in the subway car, it was enough for me to enjoy the music with peace of mind. In some quiet places such as offices and coffee shops, using the comfortable noise cancelling mode is enough to keep both ears quiet and focus on your own business. One More Evo has built-in multiple noise cancelling modes and transparency modes. This earbud supports a variety of modes such as depth, comfort, wind noise resistance, vocal transparency, and ambient transparency. Maybe when you see so many modes, you don't know how to choose. Don't be afraid, One More Evo can automatically help you choose. In terms of sound quality, One More Evo can be said to have been fully upgraded. In my opinion, the hardware and software configuration of this earbuds can even be described as hi-fi. One More Evo adopts the common dynamic and armature structure. After my experience in the past few days, I found that the sound quality of One More Evo is indeed very good. The tri-bands of this earbuds work well together, and there will be no short boards that will affect the overall sound quality performance. I am very satisfied with the texture and atmosphere of the low frequency of One More Evo. The vocal performance in the mid-frequency part is clear and clean, and has a certain rendering power, which is very suitable for listening to some pan-pop music. The high frequency of these earbuds is clear but not distorted, and the extension is satisfactory. Voice calls are still a basic function of high-frequency daily use of true wireless headphones. One More Evo is not only equipped with 6 microphones, but also applies the deep neural network intelligent noise cancelling algorithm, which can recognize and learn the human voice in real time. For daily use, especially in noisy environments such as subway and bus traffic, these earbuds can also provide clear and natural calls. The battery life of One More Evo has been greatly improved compared to the previous generation. When the noise cancelling mode is turned on, a single earphone can last up to 5.5 hours, and when used with the charging case, the battery life can reach 20 hours. After turning off noise cancelling, the comprehensive battery life can reach 28 hours. In addition, One More Evo also supports 15 minutes of charging, 4 hours of use. Not only that, this earbuds also supports QI wireless charging, allowing users to truly experience the convenience of wireless. Thank you for watching this review of modern flagship earbuds from One More. If you liked the video, let's discuss some points in the comments below. Have a nice day, and see you soon.